Hello children, I welcome you all to your fifth revision video class. In today's class, we are going to revise the topic chapter 5, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Do you remember children? What is DRC? Yes, DRC is a country. DRC is a country. Children, where is DRC located? Yes, DRC located in African continent. Children, where is DRC located? DRC located in African continent. Children, what does DRC stands for? DRC means Democratic Republic of the Congo. DRC stands for Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, it lies in the tropical zone. Children, the equator passes through the northern DRC. Do you know children? DRC is the second largest country by area in Africa. Children, which is the second largest country in Africa? Yes, DRC is the second largest country in Africa. Until the year 1960, the DRC was ruled by Belgium and was known as Belgian. It was called the Belgian Congo. In the year 1971, its name was changed to Zaire. In 1997, the name was changed again to Democratic Republic of Congo, which is its present name. The capital of DRC is Kinshasa. Children, which country controlled the Congo up until 1960? Yes, the Belgian country controlled the Congo up until 1960. Children, what is capital of DRC? DRC capital is Kinshasa. Children, where is DRC located? Yes, DRC located in African continent. Children, what do you mean by DRC? DRC means Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located in the tropical zone in Central Africa. The equator passes through the northern part of the country and hence 1/3 of it is in the northern hemisphere and 2/3 lies in the southern hemisphere. 1/3 lies in the northern hemisphere and 2/3 lies in the southern hemisphere. The country has the Central African Republic and Sudan on the north. Children, Uganda, Rwanda and Burundi on the east. Children, Zambia and Angola on the south. Children, the Republic of the Congo on the west and Tanzania on the east. Children, do you know topography? Yes, topography is the study of the land surface. Topography is the study of the land surface. Topography refers to mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. Children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is hot and wet climate throughout the year. The area receives heavy rainfall. Children, the DRC receives heavy rainfall. Do you know children? Which is the second largest rainforest in the world? Yes, the Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest in the world. The Congo River from which the country derives its name is the second longest river of Africa and the seventh longest river in the world. Children, which is the seventh longest river in the world? Yes, Gango River is the seventh longest river in the world. Children, some of the famous waterfalls are the Livingstone Falls and the Inga Falls. Children, what are the two famous waterfalls in DRC? Yes, Livingstone Falls and the Inga Falls. Children, the Congo River drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Do you know, children? The Amazon, which is the second longest river in the world, runs through the South America rainforest in the equatorial region. Do you know, children, which is the second longest river in the world? Yes, the Amazon is the second longest river in the world. Children, which is the first longest river in the world? Yes, the Nile River is the first longest river in the world. Children, what type of climate do you find in DRC? Yes, the DRC has a hot and wet climate. Children, what type of climate in DRC? Yes, the DRC has hot and wet climate. Being near the equator, it is very hot in most parts of DRC throughout the year. The evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day makes the humidity very high. This causes clouds to build up by the afternoon and rain pours down at about 4 pm. This happens almost every day throughout the year, making the region one of the wettest in the world. Do you remember, children, vegetation? Yes, the hot and wet climate of the Democratic Republic of the Congo promotes plant growth. So, the land is covered with dense forests is called tropical rainforests. They are evergreen forests. Children, most of the DRC is covered with the tropical rainforests. There is a large variety of trees and other plants. Children, the trees are tall and form a canopy of leaves at the top. Creeper, clumper, and shrub grown below. Children, in some parts of DRC, mostly in south, where the climate is not so hot and wet. Vegetation different. Instead of dense forests, there are grasslands with short trees. Such as vegetation is the savanna. Children, what are the vegetation grown in DRC? Yes, cedar, mahogany, rubber, coconut, banana, and plum. Do you remember, children, wildlife in DRC? Children, the dense forest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo also support a wide variety of animal life. A large variety of wildlife is found in the forests and the savannas of the DRC. Some of animals such as buffalo, gorilla, chimpanzees, baboon, hippopotamus and rhinoceros. Children, what animals live in DRC? Elephants, buffalo, gorilla, chimpanzees, hippopotamus and rhinoceros. Children, next we are going to discuss about people, life of people, food and crafts, minerals and industries and transportation. Children, first one, people. The people who live in Congo is called as Congolese. The majority of ethnic groups are from Bandus and Pygmies. Children, the majority of ethnic groups are from Bandus and Pygmies. Children, Christianity is the religion followed by 80% of the population, while the remaining are mostly followers of Islam or other African religions. Children, the Bantu is the largest tribe. Which is the largest tribe, people? The Bantu is the largest tribe. Children, French is the official language of the country. Children, which is the official language of DRC? Yes, French is the official language of DRC. Children, the pygmies living in the deeper region of the rainforest of the DRC are a primitive tribal group. They are, as usual, short in height. They are good hunters and gatherers. Children, they get their food by hunting animals, fishing, and gathering plants. People get their food by hunting animals, fishing, and gathering plants. Children, who are pygmies? What kind of a life do they lead? Yes, pygmies of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, a primitive tribal group, are the shortest people of the world. Children, the pygmies, the tribal people of Congo, are very short. Most people in the DRC live in villages. Children, most of the people in Congo speak French language. Children, next we are going to discuss life of people. The DRC is thinly populated. About 30% of people live in cities and works in mines and factories. The majority of people who live in rural areas live without electricity, water sources are mostly unprotected and subject to contamination. Their main occupations are agriculture, livestock farming, hunting, fishing, and mining. Children, what are the main occupation of the DRC people? The main occupations are agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, hunting, and mining. Children, next we are going to discuss about food and crabs. Children, the staple food of the DRC is cassava. What is the staple food of DRC? Yes, cassava is the staple food of DRC. The cheap cash crops are coffee, rubber, tea, sugar, and children. Rice is grown mainly in the regions having greater humidity. Children, next we are going to discuss about minerals and industries. Industry in Congo includes textile mills, food processing, vegetable oil, soap industry, etc. Cement, chemical, minerals, oil, etc. are some other important industries. Cement is also rich in mineral resources like gold, diamond, copper, coplet, uranium, and coal. Children, DRC is the largest producer of coplet and diamond in the world. Water is the most important resources of Congo. A number of dams have been built across rivers. They produce hydroelectricity. Children, the main industries are processing minerals and agricultural products. Some other important industries are of textiles, cement, oil, and food processing. Goods are generally exported from Kinshasa, the largest city of the DRC, as well as one of the seaports. Children, next we are going to discuss about transport and communication. Transport and communication is not well developed because of the dense forests. The water transport is quite significant. The Congo River is the cheap means of transportation. Madati is the chief seaport and Kinshasa, the capital of Democratic Republic Congo, is an important river port. Children, the Congo Railways operates mostly in the southeastern part of the country. Children, Madati is the chief seaport and Kinshasa is the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. Is a important river port. Children, the water transport over the Congo River is an important and major means of transport. The DRC has hundreds of kilometers of navigable waterways. Air transport facility is also available in the country. The air transport connects Congo with several countries in Africa and Europe. Children, nowadays radio, television as well as satellite communication facilities are used in Congo. A number of daily newspapers are published and distributed in Congo. Children, which is the largest city of country? Yes, Kinshasa is the capital and the largest city of the country. Children, let us recall what we have learned so far. We studied about DRC. What is meant by DRC? Yes, DRC is a country located deep in the center of the African continent. Children, where is DRC located? DRC is located in African continent. What does DRC stands for? DRC stands for Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, what is the capital of DRC? Its capital is Kinshasa. Children, next we learn location. Children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is founded by 9 other independent countries. Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Angola, Zambia, Sudan and Central African Republic. The equator passes through the DRC with 1/3 of the country to its north and 2/3 of to the south. Children, next we learn topography. The topography is the study of the earth's surface. It refers to mountains, valleys, rivers of the earth's surface. Children, the Congo River is the second longest river of Africa and the 7th longest in the world. Some of the famous waterfalls are the Livingstone Falls and the Inga Falls. Children, next we learn climate. What type of climate experience in Congo? Congo experiences equatorial climate. Why? Because it is located on the both sides of the equator. Places close to the equator have very hot and wet climate throughout the year. Children, next we learn vegetation. The hot and wet climate of the Democratic Republic of the Congo promotes plant growth. So, the land is covered with dense forest called tropical rainforest. What is the other name of dense forest? Yes, dense forest is also called as tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. Why tropical rainforest is also known as evergreen forest? The trees in evergreen forest do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Generally, these trees are very tall. Some of the examples are ebony, mahogany, teak, and so on. These type of trees are very tall. Even the rays of the sun cannot get through the thick leaves. This makes the forest dark even during daytime. Next we learn wildlife in Congo. The dense forest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo also support a wide variety of animals life. They are home to animals like the chimpanzees, gorilla, baboon and elephant. Children, next we learn people and life of people. The people of Democratic Republic of the Congo generally short with short curly hair. French is the official language of the country. They are good hunter and gatherers. They get their food by hunting animals, fishing and gathering plants. Children, next we learn food and crops. Cassava, rice and maize are the basic foods of the most of the people of Congo. The staple food of DRC is cassava. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is considered to be the richest in the deposits of copper and diamonds. DRC is also rich in minerals like copper, gold, zinc and radium. The main industries are processing minerals and agricultural products. Some other important industries are of textiles, cement, oil and food processing. Children, the largest city of DRC is Kinshasa. Children, next we learn transportation. Transport and communication are still not well developed in the DRC. Water transport over the Congo River is an important and major means of transport. The Congo River is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. Kinshasa is an important port on the Congo River, while Madate is biggest ship port. Roadways and railways are being worked open and air transport is also being developed. Okay children, now we are going to discuss the chapter 5 book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. Children, first Roman. Fill in the blanks. First question, the forests in the DRC are dash. The answer is evergreen forest. The forests in DRC are evergreen forest. Second question, dash is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. The answer is Congo River. Children, Congo River is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. Third question, dash is the official language of the country. The answer is French. French is the official language of the country. Before its independence from the Belgian rule, the Democratic Republic of the Congo was known as dash. The answer is Belgian Congo. Before its independence from the Belgian rule, the Democratic Republic of the Congo was known as Belgian Congo. Fifth question. The DRC is rich in deposits of dash and dash. The answer is cobalt and diamonds. The DRC is rich in deposits of cobalt and diamonds. Children, second Roman, match the following. Children, divided into two columns. One side question part and another one side answer part. First question, Madati. Second, Kasava. Third, Bigmis. Fourth one, Kinshasa. Fifth one, Mount Stanley. The answer part, option A, highest mountain of the Rwenzori mountain range. Option B, capital of DRC. C, Stableford. D, biggest seafort. E, primitive tribal group. First question, Madati. The answer is option D, biggest seaport. Madati, biggest seaport. Second question, Kesava. The answer is option C, Stableford. Third question, Bigmis. The answer is option E, primitive tribal group. Bigmis, primitive tribal group. Fourth question, Kinshasa. The answer is capital of DRC. Kinshasa, capital of DRC. Fifth question, Mount Stanley. Answer is option A, highest mountain of the Rwenzori mountain range. Mountain Stanley, highest mountain of the Rwenzori mountain range. Children, you do homework daily, lesson 1 to 5, book exercise, read and write home test. Children, now we are going to discuss about worksheet. Check your answer. Children, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, the capital city of the Democratic Republic of the Congo is dash. Option A, Kinshasa. Option B, Madati. Option C, Livingstone. The answer is option A, Kinshasa. The capital city of the Democratic Republic of the Congo is Kinshasa. Second question, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is the dash largest in Africa. Option A, second. Option B, third. Option C, fourth. The answer is second. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the second largest in Africa. Third question, in the DRC, the equator passes through the dash of the country. Option A, center. Option B, southern part. Option C, northern part. The answer is northern part. Fourth question, the largest equatorial forest the equator passes through the is in northern part of the country. Option A, Malaysia. Option B, Congo. Option C, the Amazon. The answer is option C, the Amazon. The largest equatorial forest in world is in the Amazon. Fifth question, the country has about 65% of the world's total reserves of dash. Option A, coal. Option B, forest. Option C, coplet. The answer is forest. The country has about 65% the world's total reserves of forests. Sixth question, Equator divides the earth into dash. Option A 2 equal parts, option B 3 equal parts, option C 4 equal parts. The answer is 2 equal parts. Equator divides the earth into 2 equal parts. Seventh question. Which season does not occur in equatorial region? Option A summer season, option B rainy season, option C winter season. Option C winter season. Which season does not occur in equatorial region? Winter season. The main trees of evergreen forest are dash. Option A ebony, option B mahogany, option C all of this. The answer is all of this. The main trees of evergreen forest are all of this, ebony and mahogany. Ninth question. Which tribe is found in Congo Basin? Option A Kubus, option B Simanx, option C Pygmies. The answer is Pygmies. Which tribe is found in Congo Basin? Pygmies. 10th question. The climate in tropical rainforest is dash. Option A hot and dry, option B cold and wet, option C hot and wet. The answer is hot and wet. The climate in tropical rainforest is hot and wet. Children, next second Roman, fill in the blanks, choose words from the help box. First question. The equatorial forest lies in the dash zone. The answer is torrid zone. The equatorial forest lies in the torrid zone. Second question. The equatorial region does not have dash season, summer or winter. The answer is winter. The equatorial region does not have winter season. Third question. Dash is the official language of DRC. Option French or Urdu. The answer is French. French is the official language of DRC. Fourth question. The largest rainforest in the world is dash. Option Congo rainforest or Amazon rainforest. The answer is Amazon rainforest. The largest rainforest in the world is Amazon rainforest. Children, fifth question. Dash is the largest city of the DRC. Option Madati or Kinshasa. The answer is Kinshasa. Kinshasa is the largest city of the DRC. Children, third Roman, write true or false. First question. The equatorial region is found in the frigid zone. The answer is false. The equatorial region is found in the torrid zone. Second question. The equatorial forest region receives the direct rays of the sun. The equatorial forest region receives the direct rays of the sun. Third question. DRC exports most of its minerals. The answer is true. DRC exports most of its minerals. True. The tallest trees form a canopy. The answer is true. The tallest trees form a canopy. Fifth question. Pygmies settle down in villages and grow crops. The answer is true. Pygmies settle down in villages and grow crops. Fourth Roman. Name any two in the following questions. First question, reptiles found in the rainforest. Answer is turtle and lizards. Reptiles found in the rainforest, turtle and lizards. Trees growing in the rainforest. The answer is rosewood and ebony. Trees growing in the rainforest, rosewood and ebony. Third question, insects that live in the rainforest. The answer is butterfly and beetle. Fourth question, tribes living in the rainforest. Answer is pygmies and bandus. Tribes living in the rainforest, pygmies and bandus. Children, next we are going to discuss about answer the following question. This question answer write in your classwork note. Write neatly and clearly. Children, first Roman, answer the following questions. First question, who are pygmies? What kind of a life do they lead? The answer is the pygmies are tribal groups of Central Africa. The pygmies are tribal groups of Central Africa, especially Congo regions. They are usually short in height with very short curly hair. They are usually short in height with short curly hair. They generally lead a nomadic life. Children, who are pygmies? The pygmies are tribal groups. Children, second question. Describe the location of the DRC. Second question. Describe the location of the DRC. The answer is the Democratic Republic of the Congo is founded by 9 other independent countries. They are Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Zambia, Sudan, Angola and Central Africa. Third question, list the crops that are cultivated in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, list the crops that are cultivated in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The answer is the crops that are cultivated in the DRC are coffee, rubber, tea, cacao, sugar and plum. Children, the crops that are cultivated in the DRC are coffee, rubber, tea, cacao, sugar and plum. Fourth question, why is tropical rainforest also called evergreen forest? Children, why is tropical rainforest also called evergreen forest? The answer is tropical rainforest always appears green and therefore it's called evergreen forest. Tropical rainforest always appears green and therefore it is called evergreen forest. Trees in the forest do not shed their leaves in a particular month of a year. Children, trees in the forest do not shed their leaves in the particular month. So, the tropical rainforest also called evergreen forest. Children, fifth question, write a short note on the flora and fauna of the DRC. The flora found in DRC is cedar, mahogany, rubber, coconut and banana. Children, flora means plants. For example, rubber, coconut, banana, that like. The fauna found in DRC are chimpanzees, gorilla, baboon, elephant, zebra, rhinoceros, tiger, and the hippopotamus. Children, what is meant by fauna? Means animals. For examples, rhinoceros, elephant, zebra, tiger, and hippopotamus. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.